Hello, welcome to the Marc Show, the cybersecurity show. Are Google certificates still worth it? I'm going to answer that question in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So are there specific industries where Google career certificates are more valued, right? Yes, right? Technology and IT, right? The certificates are designed to provide job-ready skills for roles in IT support, IT automation, cybersecurity, data analytics, and other tech fields. Some of the major tech companies like Google, obviously, Verizon, and Deloitte have committed to considering certificate holders for relevant entry-level jobs. Next, Google certificates, they're relevant in digital marketing and e-commerce, right? The Google... What? The Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Certificate teaches skills directly applicable to roles in digital marketing, advertising, and e-commerce. It is endorsed by industry bodies like the American Marketing Association. Next is project management, right? The project management certificate aligns with standards from the Project Management Institute and can lead to entry-level project coordinator roles across various industries. So how do Google career certificates impact salary potential in different industries? So Google career certificates can positively impact salary potential across various industries, though the extent may vary, right? So here are some points that you're going to want to consider as far as how they can influence the earnings in different fields. Let's talk about technology and IT. So the IT support and IT automation and data analytics certificates directly prepare learners for roles like IT support specialists, computer systems analysts, and data analysts, right? These occupations have median annual salaries ranging from $55,000 to $98,000 according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So Google states the average entry-level salary across certificate fields is roughly $64,000, right? And then let's talk about project management. The project management certificate aligns with standards from the Project Management Institute and can lead to roles like project coordinator or associate project manager. The median salary for project managers is around $94,500 according to Glassdoor. Before I proceed, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to, come on, I'll wait for you. Hit that subscribe button and the like button right now, come on. So, obtaining a project management certification can increase earnings by over 20% compared to non-certified professionals. Digital marketing and e-commerce, right, is the next portion. The digital marketing and e-commerce certificate provides skills applicable to roles like marketing specialist, digital marketer, and e-commerce analyst. So marketing managers have a median salary of $135,000, while market research analysts earn around $63,000 to $64,000 annually. Now let's cover UX design. So the UX design certificate trains for roles like entry-level UX designer, UI designer, and visual designer. UX designers earn a median of around $97,000 per year according to Glassdoor. Do you guys like Glassdoor? Do you guys think Glassdoor is the best when it comes to those kinds of things? Please let me know in the comment section below. So UX skills are in high demand across tech, marketing, and any business with digital products. So while Google doesn't provide industry-specific salary data, the certificates seem to unlock the highest earning potential in project management, UX design, data analytics, and IT computer systems roles. However, they can boost marketability and income across various fields that value skills like data analysts. Why couldn't you say that, Mark? Why couldn't you say that? Digital marketing and process management. The relatively low cost of the certificates is around $39 to $392 compared to traditional degrees. Also makes them an affordable pathway to increase earning power, especially when combined with a college education. So how do how does Google career certificates compare to traditional degrees? So Google career certificates offer an affordable and flexible alternative to traditional degrees, but have some key differences. We have the lower cost, right? That's an advantage. Certificates cost around $300 total compared to tens of thousands for a 4-year degree. There is a shorter duration, right? It can't be completed, it could be completed in 3 to 6 months of part-time study versus 4 years of a bachelor's degree. And then there's job relevant skills, right? The curriculum designed by Google experts to teach in-demand skills for fields like IT, data analytics, project management, and UX design. So now let's get into it, right? Are Google certificates worth it? Short answer, yes. Google career certificates are generally considered worth it for several reasons. Number one, they provide job relevant skills and training from Google experts in high demand fields. Again, IT, data analytics, project management, and UX design. Remember, Google is still head honcho, or among the head honchos in the tech space, right? 75% of graduates report positive career outcomes like getting a new job, promotion, or raise. Next, they are affordable, right? They're not really past $400, right? With the option for funding assistance. The low cost and lack of prerequisites make them accessible to those without a college degree. Next, they are recognized by major employers. Who you want to work for? Verizon, Target, Deloitte, and over 150 companies that have committed to considering certificate holders for jobs. 150 companies in the tech space. That is a lot of companies because the tech space is growing, but it's not all the way there yet. So this provides a direct path to employment opportunities. So next, the certificates are flexible, self-paced, and can be completed in 2 to 8 months of part-time study. So you can do this and that and that and that. So this allows learners to gain new skills quickly while working. Next, the content is highly rated, with most certificates receiving 4.8 out of 5 stars from tens of thousands of learners. Okay, guys, don't listen to nobody that say Google certificates ain't worth it. Yeah, they are. So, next is they provide college credits recognized by the American Council on Education, allowing a pathway to further education if desired. While not a guarantee of a job at Google, the certificate provides an affordable, accessible, and reputable way to gain job-ready skills and stand out to employers in competitive fields. The high percentage of graduates reporting positive outcomes suggests they are valuable for career advancement. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you in the next video.